Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A59 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. You can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the volume up. Here press the volume up and power key together. Now slide downward to power it off, and now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together for few seconds. Press and hold it, and now release. Now here select language, and you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device, and power off is available. Now here go to format data, and you can see format data, please enter verification code 9934. Enter it 9934, and you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Now tap on format. You can see wiping, please wait, and you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A59 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.